Too many people are overcomplicating nutrition, when in reality, the basics is what matters most. You don't need a PhD in biochemistry just to eat better. You just need to remember 4 simple words. Keep it simple, stupid. Today I'm going to give you the no-nonsense KISS technique so you can kiss in the kitchen, and also to actually help you start making progress without spinning your wheels. Let's break it down. Number 1 is portion control. The amount you eat is king. I don't care if it's keto or high protein or vegan. If you're eating too much, you're going to store body fat. Your body doesn't care about food labels. It only cares about the total intake. So let's use our hand as a portion guide. Your palm is for protein. Your fist is for carbohydrates. Your thumb is for fat. And a cupped hand is for vegetables. This tip is so simple and effective. Number 2 is cooking methods. How you prepare your food will actually change how your body responds to it. If you're frying your food or burning it, then you're loading your body with inflammatory compounds called AGEs. The or that, but steaming, baking, or slow cooking keeps the food and the nutrients inside the food more intact, which is going to be better, obviously, and it keeps inflammation lower. Same food, completely different outcome. Choose real fats like olive oil, coconut oil, grass-fed butter. Avoid seed oils and always anything that is reused in fryer grease. Number 3 is food tolerance. Not every healthy food is healthy for you. Some people thrive on dairy, others get bloated. Some love oats, others crash from a sugar spike. Pay attention to how your body feels. Bloating, gas, fatigue after meals, well, that's data specifically for you to use it. Here's 2 quick simple ways you can figure this out. Elimination diet. Take out foods and see what happens. 2, journal how you feel after eating specific foods. This has worked for thousands of people across the world. Number 4 is consistency over perfection. You don't need to be perfect, but you do need to be persistent. Let that sink in. The people who win aren't the ones who follow a perfect diet or a meal plan for 5 days. It's the ones who show up, eat well, eat enough, and do it again and again and again and again. Studies show that people who stick to good eating for 80 to 90% of the time make better long-term progress than those who go all in, burn out, and quit. So stop chasing perfection and chase sustainable. And number 5 is liquid calories add up fast. If you want an easy nutrition win, stop drinking your calories. Sodas, juices, sugary lattes, and even healthy smoothies, they'll spike your insulin and add hundreds of calories without filling you up. One Starbucks drink can wipe out your entire deficit for that day. Instead, go for water, black coffee, drink tea, even sparkling water if you need that fizzy fix. It's simple, it's effective, and your metabolism will thank you. So here's your new rule book for the kitchen. Control your portions. Cook smart, eat what your body tolerates, stay consistent, not perfect, and skip the sugar bomb drinks. So lock these in and I promise your results will follow. There's a link in the description if you want to start coaching with me, or just leave your email and you'll get my top 21 ways I kiss outside the kitchen. And as always, remember, don't just exist in your meat suit, thrive in it.